Hi, my princess. This is your dinner. I have prepared for you. Please have your dinner. Enjoy. Darling, I want to play. I want to play. Oh, why you cry? Mimi, don't wear shoes. Mama. See, don't wear shoes. Don't wear shoes. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. Mommy, I want balloon. Mommy, I want balloon.
What the heck?
Mommy, I want balloon. Mommy, 帮我开。Mommy 开。Mommy 开 balloon 开。Oh, Mommy, you're so good at 开 balloon.
爸爸。
等下先。
Papa, why don't you even mind getting wet?
You are so naughty. I should have used this.
Shut up,
Mommy 装水。
什么来的
Super balloon. Super duper balloon. 等一下 Super duper balloon. Your balloon is no match to this balloon.
This balloon is so gross.
你装水。
This balloon is gross.
No, it's not gross.
This balloon is
Super balloon. Wait. Wait. 不要拉线。妹妹 let go. Okay, it can be super big. See?
Daddy, can I help you fill this?
你帮我 film. 帮我 film. 妹妹 wait. Don't press. Wait. See? See, 妈咪看，你的手拿开，妹妹 see? Wait. 不要按先。
等一下给我玩。
等一下，妹妹 don't press.
Okay, let's go play first. Okay. I want to drink now.
Oh, see children.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
先揉这个。
Okay.
对，我先揉这个出去啊。Okay, 妹妹 try and roll yours to hit, alright? 1, 2, 3. Oh!
No!
来。
Hello, mommy.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Daddy. Oh, never mind. Daddy.
Yes, I think it's a little bit hot enough. Okay, right? Put down this one. Okay, I think you can pour now. You hold it. You're frying eggs for us?
Yes.
Wait.
Sorry.
It's alright.
没手小心。
It's not hot enough. Okay, you wait, huh? Wait. It's not hot enough. Okay, now you can stir. You can stir it. Stir. No, stir it. You stir it.
Hey, excuse me.
Quickly. It's frying. You stir it. Yes.
Daddy, excuse me.
I'm not touching anything. Okay. Stir the whole egg. Slow. You don't want to spill it.
I didn't spill it.
Okay.
Almost ready.
No, it's not ready yet. To wait. Looks delicious. Are you a chef?
Yes, I'm a chef.
You're a chef. Okay. Wait. You're frying eggs for us. I think it looks delicious. Will it be delicious?
Yes.
Wow, thank you. Oh, don't pick it up. Just stir it. Yes.
Daddy, excuse me.
I'm not touching you. I'm just videoing you.
I don't want
I'm not doing anything.
Daddy, go outside play.
No, cannot. Your eggs. You haven't stirred this part. The nearer part. Yes. Flip it.
What the smell?
The smell is eggs being cooked.
I just smelling an egg. Is this very much? Daddy, Daddy.
Pay attention to your egg. Don't look at me. Pay attention to your
I
egg.
don't want it faster.
You fry your egg.
My egg is best.
Your eggs are fried. It's hot, right?
I want cake.
It looks delicious.
Yes.
Not yet, not yet. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. Darling, it's not done yet. 还没有熟的。Looks good. 你看你的 egg， 你不要看我了。Pay attention to your egg. 等一下 ，Can I try your egg later? 我可以吃吗？
不可以是 hot.
哦，很 hot 啊。OK OK.
You can also try.
What are you doing?
Okay, it's done.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Sure? How do you know it's done?
I just done
Let me
with
check.
it.
Let Daddy check. Huh?
Oh, Daddy, Daddy, I will do it.
You have to turn it over.
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy.
Okay.
Daddy, excuse me.
I'm not touching you. You should fry your egg. It looks good. 好了吗？一下子啊。
It's very hot.
Good job, Daddy.
Okay, it's done.
Okay, it's done.
Turn
All
up.
right.
完没？那个什么，还没有洗的那个刚才。
不是，我放这里。
等一下我扫一下去再剪掉。All right, say bye bye to everyone.
Bye bye, everyone.
Is this your fried egg?
Yes.
You like it?
I like it.
All right. Say bye bye.
Oopsie. Oopsie daisy. Oops, oops. Oopsie daisy.
It's hot, right? Good job. You're a helpful little chef. Can you cook me some eggs next time?
Okay.
All right. Are you sure? Okay, good job.
Okay.
Okay. What are we making, darling?
Make an ice cream now. You make it.
Popsicles.
Popsicles. I mean, let's make popsicles.
Yes.
Yep, we're making popsicles.
Honey, this one.
Sure, wait.
I'll put this again. Daddy,
Yes. Okay.
Hi, Honey, I feel it.
Ooh.
Johnny.
You want me to help you? Are you strong enough to press? I can press one more round.
And now get hungry again. Now we only choose popsicles.
Okay, what are you talking?
I'm talking my popsicle set.
Your popsicles? You want your popsicles?
Oh, mommy, you spilled it on me.
No.
It's
Eh,
okay.
where is that?
What? Daddy?
Oh, it's here. Later we need this, right?
What?
Later we need.
I use this one.
Use that one. Okay.
Oh, and that's better. We need this one's baby.
Can you smell, darling?
I'm honey, this one.
Yes, wait. Daddy.
Who hurt her head yesterday? Let me
I
see.
hold my head now.
Let me see. Let me see. Poor thing. Let me have a look. No, I just want to have a look first. Later we need to put more medicine. Okay, slowly.
Oh, yeah. It's
Amy,
green
don't move,
right
don't move, don't move. Don't move. Let me have a look. Okay, later we put more medicine.
I don't want to put it in it.
No, we have to put medicine. Okay?
I think enough.
Alright.
Now put it this one.
I believe so.
Okay.
You want me to press again?
Oh, okay.
Okay, wait now. Okay.
Okay. This one.
Okay.
Careful. Okay, stop. Enough.
Uh-oh.
Too much.
Yes,
Oh.
yes, May.
Too much rice water.
Never mind.
Oopsie.
It's okay.
Did you drop something, darling?
I dropped something in out.
Slowly, very slowly. 等一下 wait for daddy. Wait for daddy. Wait for daddy.
Oh, you dropped this one.
Wait for daddy, huh?
Okay, come.
Slowly, very slowly.
Yes, continue. I think just nice for 2. Continue.
Okay.
Go on. 还没有，我看到。Go on. Continue, darling. No, it's not full yet. No, it's not full yet.
It's done.
No. Oh, okay. Oh, we squeeze one more. Okay. All right.
More. Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, huh?
Mini.
We have to wait until tomorrow, okay? Then only we can eat it tomorrow.
Okay.
Right. Yay, our
Done.
popsicles! Hooray!
Good job.
Good job. Now put in the fridge.
Darling?
Put in the bit.
Now put in the fridge.
Okay, come. Let's go.
Oh, careful.
Daddy.
Get Wait. Wait, do we have a space here? Okay, now daddy help.
No, I help.
No.
No.
Mommy help me.
No.
You cannot hold here, you have to hold here.
Okay.
You have to hold here. Hold the top. Slowly. Alright, okay, your hand is not long enough. Let me help you. Alright. Okay, let me see just now the coffee one. Let me have a look. Ooh. Oh, it has become coffee popsicles. Darling? Are you okay? Are you alright?
You okay?
Oh dear.
Wait, careful. Wait, mommy.
Slow. Push that thing over.
Okay.
No, this one you push over. Let me wait. Like this. And then this one you pull out a bit to push it. Okay, slowly. Okay, careful, huh?
Wait a second.
No, we have to wait until tomorrow, darling. 要等到明天. Are you okay? You can't wait to have your popsicles? Your orange popsicles?
Yes.
Alright. Smile! Darling! Darling, look at daddy. Smile! Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Soy el fuego que